kind of cool being in here, huh? They're raining. She's swimming good, though. Zane.
Alright, so check it out. When you're right there, when I'm doing my stroke, my head's down like this. As soon as I put my arm out, I'm looking, I got the water's right here.
I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. Okay? I'm gonna go in the water. Is that all right?
Yeah. Watch this water.
Okay. Good shot. Woo-hoo. That a girl. I'll be right in, okay? Time for some swimming lessons with my granddaughter. I love it. Woo, girl. Here we go. Time for some swimming lessons. Able to get her bathing suit, so we're swimming in a t-shirt and shorts at the moment. How you feeling? I know, but I'm going to give you technique, okay? Is that all right?
Yeah.
Very good, sweetheart. You've been going for over an hour. Good job. Good job, sweetheart. We got the whole pool to ourselves. Okay. Instead of a belly flop, we're doing leg flop splits. Very good. Very good. So proud of you, doing so good. Okay.